Yeah. Put another shoe on the fire.
That's what I want for Christmas. Slippers. Gone on.
Have you put your slippers on fire?
It's about 3 per.
Have you not got them on now?
I buy you a new pair every year, Sean.
Oh, look at that.
Bloody hell.
Oh, whose shoes are them?
You can get the slippers.
They're gay as fuck.
Bloody hell, look at that.
Look, have you seen?
Look at that.
George, just go and check there if that train's gone past. I need to.
I think we've got enough slippers on there, you know.
You think?
Yeah, they really held it very well. Okay, look at it.
Now we put one on top of the other right up.
My furry boots.
Brilliant. Hey, look, he's dropping.
I'm melting.
Even them shoes can come into one. He's going.
Oh, good smoke.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
What's on my shoes?
Okay.
What more?
I don't think we need any more on you.
No.